The power of eyes. How to influence with outwards introduction. There is an ancient saying, the eyes are the windows to the soul. And though this phrase has been repeated countless times, many of us underestimate just how powerful it truly is. Beyond spoken language, beyond carefully chosen words, the eyes hold a silent strength. They reveal emotions, project confidence, establish intimacy, and perhaps most importantly, influence without a single word being spoken. For those of us over the age of 25 navigating careers, relationships, and personal growth understanding, this subtle but profound form of communication can transform the way we connect with others. In this exploration, we will uncover why eye contact holds such sway over the human mind, the science and psychology behind it, and how you can use this powerful tool consciously in your own life. By the end, you will not only see the importance of eye contact, but also learn practical ways to harness it, whether in your home, at work, or in moments of intimacy. This is the hidden language we were all born with, but few have mastered. Part 1. Why the eyes speak louder than words. The first question many might ask is, why do the eyes carry so much influence? The truth is rooted in both biology and psychology. Human beings are wired to detect nonverbal cues for survival. Long before spoken language evolved, early humans relied on body language and eye movements to assess trustworthiness, danger, and intent. Today, while our societies have advanced, that primal instinct has not disappeared. When someone avoids eye contact, we subconsciously interpret it as disinterest, dishonesty, or insecurity. On the other hand, steady and calm eye contact signals confidence, openness, and sincerity. Our brains are so sensitive to eyes that studies show newborns within just a few hours of life already respond more strongly to direct gaze than to averted eyes. Simply put, your words may tell one story, but your eyes will always reveal the truth. Part 2. The psychology of eye contact. Psychologists have long studied the effect of eye contact on human behavior. Consider the following. Connection. Eye contact stimulates the release of oxytocin, the hormone associated with bonding and trust. This is why gazing into someone's eyes can make you feel closer to them almost instantly. Influence. Research shows that people who maintain strong eye contact are perceived as more persuasive and authoritative. Politicians, leaders, and speakers all know this instinctively. Perception of honesty. We are more likely to believe someone who looks us in the eye, even if the words they speak are questionable. Intimacy. Eye contact creates vulnerability. When you hold someone's gaze, you invite them to see beyond your dead mask. For American audiences who often live in fast-paced, posted, distraction-filled environments, mastering this subtle but powerful form of communication can be the key to deeper relationships, stronger professional influence, and improved self-confidence. Part 3. How eye contact shapes relationships. Eye contact is not just about power, it's about connection. In relationships, whether romantic, familial, or friendships, the eyes communicate emotions that words cannot. Think about the last time you looked deeply into the eyes of someone you love. Without saying a word, you likely felt understood, accepted, and safe. But the opposite is also true. When a partner, friend, or child feels that you do not look at them, they may feel invisible. In our modern age of screens and endless distractions, lack of eye contact has quietly eroded many relationships. Parent too absorbed in a phone too. Meet their child's gaze sends an unintended message. You are not important. A partner who avoids eye contact during a conflict may unintentionally deepen feelings of distance. The remedy is simple, yet powerful. Look at the people you love. Gaze into their eyes not only during joyful moments, but also when they are vulnerable, upset, or silent. Eye contact is reassurance. It is love without words. Part 4. Eye contact in the workplace, in professional settings. Eye contact can make or break first impressions. In the United States especially, where confidence and presence are highly valued. Failing to maintain appropriate eye contact can undermine credibility during interviews, presentations, or negotiations. So the strength of your gaze can project either self-assurance or insecurity. For example, an employee who avoids eye contact when presenting may be perceived as unsure, even if their ideas are brilliant. Conversely, a leader who speaks with calm but direct eye contact commands respect naturally. It signals both authority and attentiveness. Here are practical steps you can apply. Immediately, during meetings, make it a point to look directly at the person you are addressing for a few seconds before shifting your gaze. This demonstrates focus and respect. In interviews, balance your eye contact to little signals in security. Too much can appear intimidating. Aim for steady but natural intervals. Negotiations. When you want to emphasize sincerity, hold your gaze longer. This creates trust and strengthens your position. Mastering eye contact in your professional life is a subtle yet powerful skill that can accelerate your career and strengthen your influence. Asterisk. Part 5. Eye contact at home practical applications. The most overlooked place. Where eye contact can create profound changes at home. For many adults juggling work, children, and endless responsibilities, it is easy to forget how much simple human presence matters. Here are some small but transformative practices you can try today with your partner. Instead of rushing through conversations, pause and look into your partner's eyes for a few seconds. This gesture alone can rebuild emotional intimacy. With your children, when your child tells you a story, put down your phone, meet their gaze, and listen with your eyes. They will feel valued and heard. With yourself, stand in front of the mirror, look into your own eyes, and affirm your worth. This may feel uncomfortable at first, but it is a powerful exercise in self-acceptance. At home, eye contact is not about influence in the sense of control. It is about influence through love, presence, and attention. It is the most human gift you can give to those closest to you. Asterisk Part 6. The dangers of misusing eye contact. Like all powerful tools, eye contact can be misused. Some individuals weaponize at choosing prolonged stares to intimidate, manipulate, or dominate. This is not the influence we are speaking of. Influence without words should never be about coercion, but about authentic connection. It is also important to note cultural differences. While in American culture, direct eye contact is valued, in some cultures, it may be seen as disrespectful or aggressive. Being sensitive to context is essential. Healthy eye contact is balanced. It invites openness rather than forcing it. It conveys confidence without arrogance and warmth without overstepping boundaries. Asterisk Part 7. Building your eye contact skills for those who struggle with maintaining eye contact. Know that this is a skill you can build. Many of us were never taught how to use our eyes consciously. But like any other form of communication, practice makes progress. Here are exercises you can start today. Mirror practice. Look into your own eyes in the mirror daily. Speak affirmations out loud. Notice how uncomfortable it may feel and continue anyway. Over time, you will build self-connection. Listening practice. When in conversation, consciously focus on holding your gaze for a few seconds at a time while truly listening. This strengthens presence. Small steps. Practice with strangers in safe environments. When ordering coffee, meet the barista's eyes and smile. These small daily acts accumulate into natural confidence. Eye contact is not about perfection. It's about presence. Even a few seconds of genuine eye connection can change the dynamic of a conversation. Asterisk Part 8. The transformative power of being seen at its core. Eye contact is about one simple truth. Every human being longs to be seen. In a world filled with noise, distractions, and superficial connections, being truly seen through another's eyes is therefore priceless. When you look into someone's eyes with presence, you are saying, "You matter. I acknowledge. I see you." That acknowledgement can heal wounds, bridge divides, and restore trust. This is why eye contact has always been central in moments of intimacy, reconciliation, and leadership. It is the language of the soul. Conclusion: awaken the power within your eyes. Eyes are not simply biological organs. They are instruments of influence, intimacy, and truth. They reveal our innermost selves and connect us to others in ways words cannot. For those of us striving to grow, to build stronger relationships, and to leave a meaningful impact. Mastering eye contact is one of the simplest yet most profound tools we have. The question is not whether your eyes have power, they always do. The question is whether you are willing to use that power consciously, authentically, and lovingly. So, the next time you are with a loved one, colleague, or even yourself, pause, look, hold their gaze, allow the silence to speak. And you will witness the transformation that occurs when souls meet without words. A call to action if this message resonates with you. If you feel the quiet but undeniable truth of the power of eyes in your own life, I invite you to continue this journey with us. At Awaken Mindset, we explore not just psychology, but the deeper layers of human connection and personal growth. Every video is designed to help you see yourself and the world more clearly,